Alright, what's up, people? I'm gonna do some push-ups in nature today on this table right here before me. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna do some push-ups here, and then in another video I'm gonna do some push-ups on that one over there. Cause why not? I'm Max, full of opportunities and other shit.
And great ideas.
Yes, great ideas too. Okay. So, I don't know, I might go for 50 or 30, whatever I'm comfortable with, because I never did this before, but ready, steady, go.
Keep them going.
Alright, 30 is all I got today.
30.
That shit was going on in my mind, dude. That was tough. Just looking down there, up and down it. Alright, have a wonderful day, people. Enjoy this. Yeah. Peace. Much love, prosperity, everything. Peace out, guys.